Morning, guys.
Morning.
So today we are with Rigs and Coffee. We're gonna go to Thomas campground up in near Big Bear. It's a very primitive campground, so there's no water, no nothing. Like, you really gotta basically overland it. We're not gonna be doing that today. We're just joining some friends from Rigs and Coffee up there. We're gonna do the trail with them. We brought along one of our other Subaru friends, Wesley, in his Holder Hawk Crosstrek. So yeah, and we're just pulling up to the spot right now where we're meeting up all the vehicles. We're gonna be departing from this location like around 9 o'clock to head to the trail and then to the campground. So yeah. Mostly stock Subaru, slightly modified. Then we got the Jeeps, tacos, more stuff. A lot more trail ready in mine.
So we are just about to head out to the trail. We are the second group. The first group went out first. There's about 20 something people here today with Rigs and Coffee. Yeah, so we're gonna head out now and we'll show you on the way. We got hit on the sidewall here. So what happened?
So we got a flat, definitely unrepairable. So yeah, we're gonna unfortunately have to just replace it and head back home.
So we won't be able to go finish off the trail.
So we don't have like another spare tire that's the same as these tires. We gotta go back to the shop. So we're just gonna put on the spare and head back home. So check out our donut. Yeah, so it's still. So I have the stock wheels are like 18 inches. Right now I have 17 inches, but I thickened the profile of the tire, so they're about like within spec still. So we'll make it down. Time to make the swap.
A lot of bugs.
Temporary. Yes, it is. You are definitely temporary.
Look how tiny and how thin that is compared to yours.
Yeah, that's better than a donut. Yeah. So, I mean, if you're down, do it.
So Wesley came back and is hooking us up with his stock
Foxfire.
Woo!
his stock wheel that he's been riding as a spare. So, yay! Woo. Much better than this donut here.
This little donut, it's very thin.
Absolutely worthless.
Yeah.
Hello guys, so we're making our way down. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Vanessa has been driving us down the whole entire time. This trail's not too bad, so this is really good for her to like kind of just grab some experience,
Beginner.
off-roading. So what do you think, Beb?
It's alright.
It's not too bad, huh?
It's alright.
Yeah, I'm trying to get her to drive more.
Okay.
So that I could do more video and we can alternate or whatever, you know. But so far she's doing a good job.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. So. What's up, you guys? So I didn't really get a chance to close out the Big Bear trip video, so I kind of wanted to do something different and kind of just use this time to talk about like what kind of tires I got for the Subaru now that we popped a tire and needed to replace it, but also like kind of an update on the car, the Forester, and possibly where we're gonna go with the channel in the next couple of months. Now that we have popped our tire and need a replacement, you guys are probably wondering like, oh, did you get all-terrain tires, or what's the deal with that? What kind of tires did you get? So bottom line, we didn't go with all-terrain tires. I know, sad. Yeah, I looked into the all-terrains. Yeah, I wanted the all-terrains, but we ended up going with the Falcon G4 All Seasons. Not the G4, but the new and improved Falcon G5 All Seasons. Falcon actually discontinued the all-season tires that I was running. It was the Falcon G4s, and they had the Falcon G5s. Now the all-terrains are a lot more pricey. Definitely for my tire sizes, they were almost, I think for the BF Goodrich KO2s, they were about $1,000. Yeah, pretty pricey. They're definitely worth the money, but another factor that I haven't talked to you guys about is our plans to actually sell the Subaru Forester. Yes, guys, we are selling this car. It's a financial decision for me and my family. I can make a video about it, like why we're getting rid of it. Just comment below and let me know if you guys would want to know. But for the most part, basically, we're selling our car, and it just didn't make sense to spend another $1,000 on just tires and then just give away the car to the next person. You guys are probably wondering like, well, are you gonna still do some off-road videos? The answer is yes. I do have a car already that we bought on July 4th that I haven't really mentioned, and I don't want to tell you guys yet because I kind of want it to be a little surprise for you guys. I want to do a reveal video for you guys in the next couple of days, maybe months, weeks, whatever. I don't know. But soon I'm gonna have another video of the vehicle for you guys to check it out and see. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're gonna have a bunch of new content for that car for you guys, and hopefully some more really good off-roading videos. So I'm super excited, even though I'm sad that we're letting go of the Forester. I really love this car. It was a great car, but you know, for financial reasons and family stuff, we just kind of have to get rid of it. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I gotta say today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video overall. Comment below like what you guys think, what kind of car you guys think we got. Is it a Subaru? Is it a Toyota 4Runner? Is it a Lexus GX? Just let us know. Comment. I'd like to know what you guys think. And please like and subscribe, share. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Peace out.